How to make someone admin on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. On the left side, you will find all your servers. Click on the server where you want to make someone admin. After you click on the server, click on the server's name at the top. Then click on Settings. After you click on Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down in here and search for roles. After you find roles, click on Roles. After you're in Roles, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of your screen, which will open this page. In here, type in admin in the role name. You can add role color if you want and press on Create. After you have pressed on Create, click on Skip, and here you can add the person you want to add as admin and press on Finish. After you do that, that person will be added as admin, and this is how to make someone admin on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.